I'm playing against Stockfish with my entire army, but Stockfish has two Amazons. Amazons are special pieces that combine the knight and the queen. So it moves like a queen, like this. It also moves like a knight, like this. And when you put it all together, it's a very dangerous piece. And Stockfish has two of them. Let's see how this is going to turn out. Here we go. Uh-oh, I don't like that. All right, let's bring out... I don't know. Let's bring out my knight. Okay. Let's bring out my other knight. So queen, queen, queen. Also like a knight. All right. Can I get away with pushing this pawn? Uh-oh. So he's attacking this. He's going for this. He wants to take this because it's defended by this queen. So I probably need to block that off. Otherwise, I could see myself being in big trouble here. Wait, can I just take that? Oh, it's pinned. Oh no. It's pinned by this queen. Queen Knight Amazon thing. Uh-oh. Now we've got another... All right, I'm going to have to play Bishop D6. Oh, maybe I could play... No, but see, then he's going to come in here anyway, and that's checkmate. Oh, this is nasty. This is nasty. Okay. What if I play Bishop D6? That's got to be a safe move, right? Oh, I'm in check. I can't play Bishop D6. So I have to play Bishop E6 or Bishop E7. Oh my, let's go Bishop E7, I guess. Uh-oh. All right, well, we got to move. Actually, no, I could take it. I could sacrifice my queen for that, and that's got to be a good trade, right? That has to be. I'm going to do it. Okay, so we got rid of one of those Amazons. But now I have to move here. Yeah, and he's going to just start taking everything. Oh, boy. All right. This is the immediate threat. And I can't move it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. We got to make like a fortress somehow here. Like hide my king over here or something. Because this is happening. This is happening. Can't stop that. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. What if I go check and move my king to defend it with the rook? Would that be a good move? That might be a good idea. Let's give that a shot. Let's give that a shot. Okay, he goes for the check. So I just block, right? And I think I'm doing okay actually now. All right, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. The question is, what do I do now? Can I just like push a pawn? I mean, what's he gonna do? He only has one Amazon. Yeah, what's he gonna do? Haha. Oh, Stockfish. Wait. Why can't I go there? Oh, I'm not allowed to promote. Because there's some fairy chess setting probably that I didn't change. Okay, well, let's just go with it. I have to get checkmate without promoting my pawns. That becomes more difficult. All right. Can I trap his queen? No, there's no... Or his Amazon? There's no way. All right. Well, let's still... Ooh, didn't see that. All right, let's defend. Let's go here. That's a check. Let's... No, let's block that off. Oh, this piece is so annoying. All right, let's go here. Yeah, he's going to take that. That's okay. I'm going to bring the rook over. Everything's defended, so he can't really do anything. Oh, he could go there. He could go there. All right, where do I go? Here? I'm going to lose now. I'm going to lose because I couldn't promote this pawn. Uh-oh. Oh, is it going to be a draw? I'm going to take it. I'm happy with the draw. It's a draw. Okay. My first game against two Amazons ends in a draw. Well, that was interesting. If you guys like this kind of video and you'd like to see more fairy chess type of videos, please let me know. This was primarily an experiment to see if there's interest in videos like this. Let me know, and I'll see you next time. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.